Yeah, I'm not gonna let you go, so stop fussing.
There's your baby.
Big girl. You're big.
Move out of the way, Asia. 1 year old, swimming.
Kick your feet, okay?
Look at you, Papa.
You gonna learn to kick your feet?
All by himself.
Yeah.
You're okay.
Huh?
Kick those legs.
Look at you.
Look at you. This is you at 1 year old. Make sure
1
you
year
know.
old, baby.
You learned how to swim at 1.
Look at Zion all by himself. You can do that. I got you. You
There's
can
Grandma
do
and
that.
Lily.
Yes, you can.
Lily's scared.
Grandma's gonna show you how to float. Like your shoe. You wanna be like your shoe?
Okay, go ahead.
On the water? You wanna lay on the water?
Yay,
like this?
dudes.
You can? All right.
Wait, the gym's right there, right, Grandma?
Yeah, straight ahead. Go through that
Look at
door.
you. He's getting confident.
You're welcome. All right, so.
Zion, where you going, baby?
Oh, thank you. The sun's coming out.